In this quick video guide, I want to show you Adobe Express. Now, this is a new tool where it has been renewed lately with a lot of additional features and tools that you can use, especially if you're a beginner in the graphic design world. If you already know how to handle the basics, how to manage, I suggest you some other tools that you can use, like Photoshop, for example, or Illustrator. So they're from Adobe. And also you can use like alternatives, open source alternatives, free and open source, which are like GIMP if you wanna like have an alternative to Photoshop, or you can use Inkscape if you want an alternative to Illustrator. You can also use like Krita and other software out there. Now these are all downloadable and you need to download them and install them. But if you want to stay online, you have like Pixar or Canva. These are all online tools that you can use. Sorry, Canva. Okay, and also others. But this is just, a brief explanation. So to access the Adobe Express, the website, so the online version, the online editor, just click here or just go here and go to free online photo and design tool. And it's going to bring you here to the home page. Now, the most important thing you need to do is to sign up or sign in if you already have an Adobe account. So I'm going to go to sign in because I already have a Adobe account. I'm going to go with Google. Okay, so I am inside Adobe Express. I'm just changing the language here into my account information that you usually find on the top right side of the screen. So this is my account, and then you have like Creative Clouds and sharing and messaging and other features that I'm not going to show you. This is just going to be a brief introduction, by the way. So I'm just going to go quick with this. And this is the home page of Adobe Express. So if you scroll down, you can see the main features. And these are the newest features like the generative AI, so you can generate content. You also have these in Photoshop and other Adobe tools. And also you can like quickly remove background, resize image, and convert formats, merge videos if you want to work with videos. So let's go even more down. You also have add-ons that you can use. And then you have text to image. So this is again artificial intelligence generative design. So you just type words and it's going to generate some image for you. You can also upload your own image and then modify it. You can create a text to template. Again, artificial intelligence to create a template starting from words. And then you have like other text effects here. And just want to go back here to the main page of the website. You can also create from here. You can see how many things you can create, like for social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, documents like brochure, card, and business card, logo, flyer. And so you have like a complete um, set of tools that you can start with. So if you go here, you can see all these examples and you can start with whatever you want to start with. And let me just see here. You also have quick actions like remove background, crop video, resize video, create PDF. So you can start with these if you want. So let's say I want to remove a background, then I can upload a photo and you can get the photos from your computer. So I'm just gonna go here in a folder that I have in my Photoshop course file, and let's find something where I can remove like the sky. So you can see here I can remove the background really easy here because I have like this blue background and also the res. So then I can download or I can open up in Adobe Express. Now this is the actual editor right here. So every time you start with something, you're gonna come here and start with this. And this is my stuff. So other files that I already opened. These are like ready-made presets that I can use. So I can add this in the image or I can add another page. So I can create like a multi-page document. So kind of a little brochure here. And when I go inside a page, you see you can work with the text, you can work with the raster graphics, you can work with vector graphics like shapes, you can fill, you can use the paths. So it's kind of a like compressed Adobe product, where you have like tools that you find usually in InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop, but like everything is kind of in a compact way here and like simplified. Again, this is another one that have chosen. And if I want to go back, just gonna close everything. And this is the home page of Adobe Express. You can also like access the various from here. You're gonna click on Adobe Express. It's gonna bring you here in the main page or home page. Let me just deactivate some protections here. So you can search for something. So like New Year party, or you can search for like in the files that you already downloaded. You can search in photos. It's just a search, so it's really easy to understand. And then you have also schedule here, so some management tools. Now these are the ones that I already chosen just to show you one of these templates, but you can look for whatever you want again in the Adobe archive. And there you go. So we have like this is like a graphic that I can select and I can edit from here, like with the color, and you can resize, you can change the background color, you can change the alignment, and again you can work with text, you can change the font, you can, you know, do all these changings. Now we don't only have like the free version of Adobe Express. We also have some like if you go in plans and offered, you have individual plans and also like some advanced plans. So make sure you check everything, and you can level up or just get the Adobe Express free. You can also download the software version here. So if you click on this little button right here, or you can search for in the website, you find the downloadable version. And well, that's basically it. It's just a really easy tool. You just select a template or start from zero if you want. Just click here and start from your content. You upload a content and create a new file. Choose if you want to start with a customized size and proportions, or you want to use like these standards for social and the digital world and the printed graphics will, and that's it. So you just continue and work with the various graphics and text. So I'm not going to go forward. If you're interested, please subscribe to the channel. Perhaps we're going to publish more. um, let's create a new file here. We're going to publish more guides about this really interesting online web app. And also we probably create a course later on. So subscribe, stay updated, and also join to support us in creating more videos, video guides like these, also video courses. And again, in the channel, you already find a lot of courses and videos about graphic design, about 3D design, about Photoshop, GIMP, Illustrator, Inkscape, and many, many more. So this will be all for this last video guide of the year. So thanks for watching. Happy New Year party, and see you in the next year.